back. This is another day, another bill or paint or call. But today we are building something. I got this little dresser thing that's put together. It's called a fabric dresser. I'll put the picture up here in the corner. But yeah, and his frame is coming. I got his bed frame. But if you hear noise, our grandbaby's there in the other room. Yeah, I'm watching while their mama goes to the doctor. So that's something we're gonna be putting in the bedroom. So I'm excited. So I've got the parts laid out already. So we just gotta put it together. My daughter's running this room, but we're gonna try and put this together. Let's do it. Got the directions.
No frogs around here.
I did stop and go. So, but there it is. I mean, it's pretty neat. It's got handles, and drawers, and it's cute. Perfect. Hey y'all, it's the next day. I've got the bed in. Well, I've got it kind of taken out of the box. I'm going to start putting it together. Yay! I'm excited. Now, it's a king size bed. I am waiting on the mattress. It hasn't came yet. And I am going to go ahead and put the bed together so I can get it in here so I can move the dresser in here. But let me see. I've already got that's part of the headboard over there. Y'all, I have cleaned up. Y'all just, I've cleaned up a lot. But then I bring the bed in and I make another mess. But because I got the two fans that I want to put here and here, here and here. I got two fans. I'm gonna try and put them up, but me and my daughter tried putting them up the other day and giving me a little hard time. The bracket that's on there is not matching up with the bracket here, so I might have to get somebody else to look at it. But I was hoping to get them up. They got two big lights. Because we're going to have to keep these two lights, this light and this light, and get rid of those two lights. But I am going to put some sconces on the wall, and on this wall another light, and on that wall, right over there beside the door, I'm going to put a light on the wall. Just to give it some more light, because it is dark in here. But like, we're over there, we have a light on. We're over here doing homeschool, we have a light on, and we got a light on here, because it is a dark room. But it looks so good, look at it. But that's what we're going to do today. We're going to start working on putting this bed together. I mean, there's some pieces, but it don't want to look like that hard, but let's see. But I've done took everything out of the box, so we're going to start putting it together. Let's try it. And you see I got the bottom over there already, but I'm trying to stack it out to where I had all this room. And there's one over there, the headboard. So I've got to go with one and twos. We're gonna find the twos. Flip it over.
Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me.
Come over here, and there's the dresser. They look good together, look. There's the dresser, there's the bed.